Wagwan, my people. Blessings, blessings, blessings on this very beautiful Thursday morning. You know, I think every day is beautiful because it is beautiful, guys. It's a Thursday morning, so you know we're on the cusp of the weekend, so the weekend can start tonight if you want it to. But remember that you have work tomorrow. So we are back with MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you all the happenings in Ghana and around the world. Now, Irene Logan transports viewers with funeral performance. BBN Laycon prepares for Dubai tour. Guys, my name is Kevboy Burton. Let's get into the stories. Now, it is with heavy hearts that Ghana said its final goodbyes to former President Jerry John Rawlings in a beautiful remembrance program that spanned several days and concluded on the 27th of January. On that very day, a performance by Liberian songstress Irene Logan singing Impossible Dream by Andy Williams transported everyone. Logan, who hasn't performed or released music in years, was praised as being underrated. She trended on social media with people singing her praises. You see that? Is it that? Let's hear it for ourselves, guys. Let's hear the song for ourselves. You know, Irene is Liberian. She said Jerry John Rawlings was responsible for her living in Ghana, getting an education. And it was a request from the family that she sing this song. So, you know, big up yourself. Also, Jerry John Rawlings was also responsible for a few Jamaicans coming to Ghana years ago. I bet you guys didn't know that. Anyways, while BB and Erica is in Ghana for her press tour, Laycon, the winner of Big Brother Niger, has just announced the dates to his international tour. Going above and beyond, Laycon is headed to Dubai for his tour with prices and timelines attached. His avid followers, the Laycon icons, have made it their mission to ensure that everyone is aware where he's going to be and when. And to be honest, it's working. Laycon and all the information about his trip has been trending across Twitter. Where there is a will, guys, there is a way. Laycon, big up yourself in Dubai. Big up yourself. Right, do camel, brother. Do your thing. Anyways, Hajia for real hasn't given up her musical aspirations despite all the haters. I love that. The socialite turned musician released this Afrobeat track produced by Kwame Eugene and Poppin' Beats. The music video features fellow singer Efia and actress Salma Mumin, among others. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is in every single industry, from wrestling to movies, fitness, what else? The tequila business, everything. And yet, he's still expanding. The WWE star just announced a show about his life titled Young Rock, coming to NBC. It showcases The Rock at different stages of his life. This guy's doing everything. Rock, big up yourself, my brother. Big up yourself. That's all we have for you today on MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, guys. But you don't know, I come back tomorrow. So, make sure you check me out at 10 a.m. tomorrow, right here, same station. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. My name is Kevboy Burton. Little more, big up yourself.